This 2011 Keystone Hornet 3.2 BHBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2011 Keystone Hornet 3.2 BHBS is 7,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.